Hi everyone, welcome back to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. Today we're making the ultimate Korean superfood, ginseng chicken soup, known as Samgyetang. It's warm, healing, traditionally eaten in the middle of summer. It's a tradition that goes back hundreds of years. In Korea, there's a saying, fight heat with heat. That's why Korean eat steaming hot chicken soup on the hottest 3 days of the summer. It helps restore energy and balance your body when the summer heat drains you. Think of it as Korea's natural energy drink, except it's made with ginseng, garlic, and chicken instead of sugar and caffeine. Let's start with the basics. 1 whole young chicken, 1 cup sweet glutinous rice called chapsal, 1 or 2 Korean ginseng roots, 2 or 3 dried jujubes, Korean red dates. If you can't easily find ginseng and jujube, you can also buy a pre-packaged wood herbs set specifically for samgyetang, 6 or 8 cloves of garlic, a bit of salt and pepper, some green onion for sprinkle. First, wash your chicken clean and stuff glutinous rice, garlic, ginseng, and jujubes in the chicken's cavity. You can tie the legs together so everything stays snug inside. If you don't have kitchen twine, make a small slit in the skin and tuck the other leg through the hole to hold it in place. Place the chicken in a pot, add enough water to cover it, and bring it to a gentle boil. Boil the chicken for about 30 minutes to make sure the glutinous rice inside is fully cooked, then lower the heat and simmer gently for about 1 hour. Ladle the chicken and broth into a dukbagi, a Korean earthenware pot that stays hot for a long time if you have one, or a deep bowl. Sprinkle some chopped green onions on top before serving. Before eating, season with a little bit of salt and pepper. If you want to upgrade your samgyetang, add 1 or 2 abalones to make jeonbok samgyetang. If you boil it together instead of stuffing inside, it turns into a chicken porridge that's easier to eat. To enjoy it the Korean way, tear off a piece of the tender chicken, dip it lightly in salt and pepper, and take a sip of the hot, rich broth. Don't skip the ginseng. It's the soul of this dish, believed to boost your energy and immunity. What's your favorite Korean dish? Subscribe, like, and share it with me, and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.